You are motivated, determined, you take care of your diet, but you are still not losing weight. Clearly, there is something that you are doing, most probably in your nutrition, that is not suiting your body. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 main reasons why you are not losing weight right now. If you're interested, stay with me. Yo les gars, it's your girl Ori and welcome back to this YouTube channel where we talk, learn and take action to live our best life. Cause nobody get time for wasting seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, so let's go! I just had lunch and was looking at everybody's plate, hearing the complaints about the reason why they are not losing weight, and I figured it would be great for you to know what I think about the 3 main reasons why you're not losing weight. The number 1 thing is actually eating too much carbs. There are 3 sorts of carbs: sugar, starch, and fiber. The sweet part would be all your fruits, the starch one would be potatoes, pasta, rice, and your fibers are mainly your vegetables. Sometimes there is a misunderstanding on the amount of carbohydrate you should be eating per day, because yes, the count is per day. Some people would say that if you eat too much today, then you should starve yourself the next day just to compensate with the day where you add too much carbs. Let me tell you guys, this is only daily counts. Now that we said that, let's go back to the carbohydrate. If you look at the size of your plate, my advice for you would be to have 1/3 of your plate for your carbohydrate coming from starch. So you can have rice, potato, pasta. I like to have rice, especially jasmine rice, because it's low in glycemia, but I can do another video on what type of carbohydrate it's best to include in your diet. Another 1/3 of your plate will be your fiber. So again, carbohydrates, but fibers is actually needed for your body to function well. What I often see is a full plate of carbohydrate on which you add some vegetable on top of the carbohydrate and some meat on top of the carbohydrate. This is clearly too much. On top of that full plate of carbohydrate, of course, I know that some of you like to have fruits. And fruits, as I mentioned, is sugar. Sugar, a type of carbohydrate. So if you combine your big plates of carbohydrate plus your fruit at the end plus vegetables, then you are already exceeding the amount of carbohydrate you need daily in only 1 meal. So be careful on this amount, knowing that you eat probably between 3 to 5 times a day, and that would be the main reason why you have to calibrate and measure, not necessarily with a scale, but at least with a spoon, the amount of carbohydrate you eat per meal. The second thing that I see often is actually too much dressing, saying that this is a healthy dressing. No, I didn't add oil. Well, if you are cooking salmon, for example, and you don't add oil, I hope you don't, then the salmon itself releases its own fat and it's still considered as being oil, and that oil is not needed for you guys. So even though it's a healthy fat, there is no need for you to cover your carbohydrate, your vegetables, or whatever else with that dressing. So try to reduce the amount of dressing. That goes the same for salad, and that's also the reason why I'm not a big fan of eating salad, is because if you eat a Caesar salad, for example, look at the amount of dressing there is in this salad. That's just insane. My advice for you would be to have only 1 spoon of dressing if you can, otherwise reduce it at all. I personally don't have dressing. What I like to do is to marinate my food prior cooking. In that case, my source of protein and vegetables are already tasty, and I don't need to have any sorts of dressing to spice up my life. Try that. And the third thing, of course, is too much of small treats. A classic thing, you would try only 1 macaron, only 1 small spoon of sugar in your tea, only 1 small fruit at 4 p.m. and only 1 small spoon of ice cream at 4 p.m. This one is actually a nightmare. When you look at it, it doesn't seem harmful because it's just a small bite, just a small spoon, but this plus this plus this plus this combined with the first 2 points of this video is actually the main reason why you're not losing weight. And there are no chances for you to lose weight if you're doing those 2 things, and this one especially. Only 1 macaron is already too much. If really you are looking into being leaner and lose fat, then you should be mindful about what you eat on daily basis. If you want to have some treat, then leave it only 1 day for 1 meal. That's called a cheat meal. Again, not a cheat day. So that cheat meal would be where you eat everything from the starter to the dessert with your dressing and everything that you want in one meal to satisfy yourself, because we are not robots, we are human beings, and yes, we need things to make us happy. Tell me in the comment section if you are doing any of those things. If so, in which proportion, how often you're doing this during the week. Alright guys, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because this year I'm dedicated to create 3 videos per week to help you change your life. Until then,